Greetings, this is Malika, and now I'm going to be telling you about my deep learning experiment 3, which is using convolutional layer. This convolutional neural network CNN is mostly used for image segmentation and image processing. So it is one of the most widely used in every kind of sector. So to make this particular layer, we have to first import TensorFlow. Inside that, we have to import dense layer, flattened layer, and the convolutional layer. So first, take a data set. Here I took CIFAR 10 data set and loaded it into and split it into a training data set and testing data set. And each image is 255 pixels, so we're going to be normalizing by dividing it by 255. First, you take some dummy class names to find out what it is, and then you name them depending on that to identify what image each and everything is. Now here comes the model. Here we have in convolution layer we have one or more convolution blocks ending with one fully connected layer. In each convolution block we are going to have a con2D layer which will be taking an activation function and changing it into a 2D matrix, and then using pooling layer we're going to be adding some padding and make it normalizing it. Then in the fully connected layer we have flattened layer, dense layer, dropout layer. In flattened layer we're going to be converting it back into 2D, and in dense layer we're going to be we're again doing the activation function, ReLU activation function. Then in dropout layer we're going to be removing it, and there are second dense layer. In second dense layer we're going to use a softmax function. Later we're going to do the ADAM optimizer and RMS prop. Later we're going to be plotting what the model accuracy and the model loss is, as you can see, for the training and for the testing data. And then here we're going to be giving it some testing samples so to know if it's working properly or not. As you can see, mostly it is correct, even though there are some inaccuracies, but by training it more and more it will be able to become even a better model. So this is about CNN. As I said, convolutional neural network is one of the very most important in the current era, and through this so many new things have been come into light. So using image processing, and this is used in all different kinds of sectors as well. So this is Malika, and thank you so much for listening.